Well, good evening, everybody. It's Gordon from the Board Game Barrister, and today we're going to take a quick look at ShipShape, if I can hold it up the right way. A great little game where we get to solve the puzzle of what cargo to put in the hold of our pirate ship. It's from Calliope Games, and I really love it, so let's get started. In ShipShape, you will take these cargo tiles that have 3 types of cargo on each tile. There'll be gold, cannon, and contraband, each that score differently at the end of the game, and each which will have different values. Pro tip, the values will always equal 8 on every card. You will place that tile onto your cargo hold, taking care to note of the spaces that are already marked. When you play a subsequent tile, you might cover an existing space, either because that's the only place it'll fit or out of strategy. Take special care to cover those negative points where you can. In subsequent voyages, there will be positive points as well. After you play your third tile, you will score the voyage. There are 3 voyages total, and the cargo holds get more complicated as you go. While you are solving your own puzzle on how to place your tiles, you interact with the other players in a great bidding mechanism to get those tiles in the first place. Let's show you how it works. Each round begins by bidding for tiles, where the highest number bid will take the highest cargo tile, and so on. When 2 players play the same number, they tie and move to the end of the line. They will play a second card to break that tie. I think it is so neat how Calliope packed so many different things into ShipShape. You're thinking in a number of different ways and engaging with players in a number of different ways, all of which are quick and totally accessible. If this video helped you determine whether ShipShape will be a good fit for your next game night, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to take advantage of our virtual barrister service, we're here to do a live video chat with you. I'm Gordon from the Board Game Barrister, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Arr, there be treasure in our cargo hold.